What's up? I finally have a camera. I am actually packing because I am moving out the country tomorrow. I recently signed a modeling contract in Cape Town, so I am heading there and wanted to show you guys some of the things that I'm packing hair care wise. I'm actually not even packing that much hair stuff because I really want to give myself the opportunity to try things over there, and I'm only signing a 3-month contract at the moment, but I may possibly extend it or may possibly move to another country afterwards, so we will see. I'll definitely give you guys more of an update in a separate video about what's going on, but in this video I just want to show you guys the things that I am packing with me for my first 3 months out there. I currently do have a sewing in my head. I've had this in for a month, and when I got this sewing done, I actually got it done right before I went to Europe. I went to Europe on vacation a couple weeks ago, and I let her know that I was going to Europe and then I was going to South Africa, and was trying to keep this in my head as long as possible, so she made sure to make it like really tight, so that way I could try to keep it in my head for as much time as I can. I'm gonna try to just keep this in for at least another month, and then definitely need to take it out and try to figure out what I'm gonna do with this head out there. So you guys will definitely follow that journey. Just make sure to subscribe so you don't miss an upload. But let me show you guys what I'm packing. All right, so you can see this is pretty much all the hair stuff that I am bringing, which is not much at all. I ended up ordering the Babyliss Nano Titanium Travel Blow Dryer, and it has 1,000 watts. And the reason I got this one is because it's dual voltage, so I'm able to use it here and there. So it is a mini one, so it is really small, but it is powerful according to the reviews online. And then it also folds up, as you can see here, so it's easier to travel with. So I'll definitely do a video once I try this. And then I also got the BaBylissPRO Nano Titanium Travel Flat Iron, so it is a baby one. And I remember when I had got my kerosene treatment by a professional, and I got my trim and stuff, he actually used this flat iron on my edges. But this one only cost $34, and this one too is dual voltage, so I'm able to use it in the US and abroad. And the reason I just went ahead and got this one is because I am still gonna get a flat iron while I'm there, like a big one. But when I went to Europe a couple weeks ago, I did buy a flat iron there. It was actually Babyliss, and that one was like 20 bucks. And when I tell you, it was the worst flat iron, which I hate to say that because I love Babyliss, but I don't know what it is about the one I bought in Europe that just it was like the worst thing ever. So I wanted to make sure I bought one that I could trust here to kind of help hold me over until I can get a flat iron there, and I don't have to rush to just buy anything. This one also only does one setting, which is 430, which is great for my weave, but for my leave out, I like to have some type of control on my heat settings. So I'm definitely gonna make sure not to use this one more than once a week on my leave out. But I'll have these two linked down below. I actually just ordered those from Amazon. I got, of course, some bobby pins and some ponytail holders. And my mom gave me these. She got these from Amazon too. And these are just pillow curlers, and we used to use these when we were little, and they worked wonders. So I've been using this on my leave out, so that way I don't have to put heat on my leave out. But these are great because they're so soft, so when you lay on them, they don't feel hard like a regular curler, and they do an excellent job of curling your hair. I need to bring some rods. Okay, that's something I don't have in this pile, but I am going to grab maybe like 40 rods to put in my hair, just in case I ever need to do some type of gig where they want my hair to be like more of a natural curl. And since my hair is heat trained, I'd just rather have a uniform curl with what a rod set can give me. I'm of course bringing my Clean Freak Not Your Mother's dry shampoo. It's only like half the bottle left, but it'll just help hold me over. I am definitely bringing my MIZANI 25 Miracle Milk. This is a great leave-in after you wash your hair. Speaking of washing, I went to Aveda and got the Brilliant shampoo and conditioner, and I knew I wanted to spend a little bit of extra money on my shampoo and conditioner because my blow dry and flat iron is going to have a whole lot of work, and I'm trying to help them out by making sure that I have a good base. When me and my sister first started getting our hair heat trained back when we were 6, our beautician actually used Aveda, and she swore by it. And Aveda is great. It really is. It's just a little pricey, but I'm excited to use Aveda again. And I took the hair quiz online to see which one they recommended I get, and what was most important to me was shine and just helping to repair damaged hair. So that's the one they recommend. Of course, gotta bring my Camille Rose Coco Nibs and Honey hair growth serum. Still love this stuff. And when I take my hair out this sewing, I'm definitely going to do a little hot oil treatment with that. Then I got my bristle brush, it's a paddle brush, my got to be glue for edge control. I actually bought 2 of those. And then this is a heat protectant, which I actually didn't realize I was almost out of, but it has argan oil. It's by TYMO. They actually gave it to me, but I use it every time that I flat iron my hair, and I do really like it. I do also like that it gives me a nice shine to my hair, but I can't use too much because otherwise it just kind of oils my hair down. But this is a really good heat protectant. So also I'm bringing 2 satin bonnets, forgot to mention that. So these are pretty much the hair things that I'm bringing. I'm trying to keep my luggage as light as possible because I have a whole lot of stuff to pack. This is just a portion of it, and by the time you're watching this video I will be in South Africa, and I'll make sure to keep you guys updated on my journey. Let me know if you've ever been to Africa before, and if so, if you have any tips for me, leave them in the comment section down below. But I will definitely see you guys very soon. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until Cape Town, ciao.
I want to thank me for doing all this hard work.